Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I can show you the one website where you guys can audit many things. This is analytics tools. This is the analytic website, same Google Analytics. So there you guys can audit your user behavior, what they are user doing, and where you are getting traffic. So how you guys can make cohort or the funnel or you guys can create events on that website. So there you guys can do many things. So the website name is shotcut.in. So basically this is analytic website. So there you guys can see, there you guys can multiple things you guys can audit. Suppose that you guys can make it compatible analysis kind of where you guys can for the which browser you guys are getting traffic, where your businesses are getting traffic, for the optimize referral channels. So you guys can different channels from different channels where you guys are getting traffic, you guys are also able to audit. Suppose that from the Google's account, Reddit and the Facebook and another channels, and you guys are also able to audit your users demographic for the which country users are landing on, for the which country user are interacting on your website, on your businesses, on your other things. So you guys can do many things, and we can track real-time analytic data integrations, customer journey, and the marketing tools, track conversions, powerful API. So these websites are very powerful. So there you guys can see this website. This is a free plan. So there you guys can track a 20k visitors and 2 lakh page views, 45 days retaining for visitors event, 25 sessions replies, and the 30 days data retentions for the session replies. So for the free plan you guys can do that kind of things. You guys see this is a $49 is a monthly plan. For the pro version, for the elite version, $99 per month. So how you guys can able to access this website? So there you guys can see there is a try for free button. You guys can click over there, and there you guys can add your name. So suppose that our company name is Digital Marketing Lab. Then after that you guys can add your email ID. Then you guys can choose your password, and you guys can acknowledge the terms and condition. If you want to receive marketing emails, newsletters, so you guys have to check this box, otherwise you can ignore. Then after that you guys can click for the register button. So we have already created our profile on that website. So simply again going to sign in now. So there you guys can simply create your profile on that website. This is a very simple process. Once you guys can log in once you guys can create your profile on the shotcut.in, then after that you guys are able to see this is your account section, preference, plans, API. If you guys are added your website on that website, on this tracking tool, so how you guys can add your so in the website section you guys can see, you guys have to click for the website section. There you guys can add your website. So this is a Digital Marketing Lab. So this is a trackshot.in. It's awesome. So there is add website button. You guys have to click over there, and simply you guys can add your website URL. In the free plan you guys are only able to add a single website. So I can simply delete my previous whatever I have added. So there you guys can add your website name. For suppose that my website name is Glean Traffic, and there you guys can add your website domain. So you guys can simply copy your root directory. Then after that you guys have to paste it over there. This is HTTP as already selected, lightweight, and if you want weekly emails report, so you guys have to check this box, otherwise you can ignore. Simply you guys can click for the submit button. Then you guys can see there is your website are added. And if you want to and how you guys can access. So there is tracking code. You guys have to click over there, and this is can indicating you. So copy and paste the following GS code snippet before the end of the head. So you guys can add this code your head section. So simply you guys can copy this pixel and you guys can paste it to your head section, this code. After that, you guys can verify your profile, and once you guys can verify, so then you guys can able to track many things. You guys are also able to create your teams, add your teams custom domains, and you guys can see this is a dashboard of this analytic tool. So there you guys can see able to see page views, visitors, and there is no any data, but you guys have to try how much convenient this tools for your tracking and the segment things. So there you guys can able to create a goals and the funnels, and there you guys can able to track in the real-time data sections for the how much page views, devices, countries, and the pages and the heat maps. So you guys are also able to many things on that website. So you guys can explore this tool. I hope this tool it should be going to helpful for you, for your businesses, for your tracking things. Okay, so these are the process for this website. So you guys have to, I can provide this website URL over the description section, where you guys can find easily. You guys have to create your profile and you guys can start exploring these tools functionality and the what kind of features they are providing, so you guys can track. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project, suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you guys. I hope you guys can do something from your side. So okay, yeah, bye bye, take care.